Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel Fold device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. Firstly, just remember the button rule. Never fill up your internal storage over the 70% full. As you can see, I have used only 12. But when you fill up your storage over the 70 point, your device will start slowing down, and you can use this rule not only for Pixel device but for any Android, Windows or iOS device too. You need to have always 20 or 30% free, okay? Cool. Next step you can do is to open, of course, unfortunately on the Pixel devices, we don't have the feature that helping us in the About phone. As you can see here, we don't have the function that can help us to improve our RAM, so we can't do it. And if you want to improve your RAM, so maybe not the improve, but if you want to keep your RAM in good condition, just from time to time make this swipe and just remove all applications from the RAM. Great. The next step and the next feature you can do is to clean the junk files from your device. So to do it, you just need to use normal files application. It's pre-installed app. You don't need to download it. Find clean button on the left corner of your screen and click clean junk files. So applications on the Android operation system is leaving behind a lot of junk files. Applications written on Kotlin and on Java languages are leaving a lot of junk files, and maybe Java leaving really a lot of junk files behind. And one of the cons of Android is when you deleting applications from your device, your smartphone can't detect all cache files from your applications recently deleted and deleted too. So you need to remove these files from time to time using this pre-installed feature. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.